Have you been wondering how to turn your kids' toys into decor? Or make an expensive looking decor at home? Then you've come to the right place because I'm Naomi and I post art related videos every week. If you're a new viewer, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys how I recreated high-end decor from Urban Outfitters and Anthropologie. Also, all of the products that I used are linked in the description box below, so be sure to check them out. So for the first DIY, I recreated this fogler frame from Anthropologie, which is priced at around $34 but with my own little twist on it. To make it, I started out with this 4x6 black frame. I bought this off of Amazon and it came in a set of 18. The link will be in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. I gave the frame 2 coats of off-white acrylic paint and let it dry. Next, to make the frame details, I used Jovi air drying clay and some baking silicone feather molds. So, I took a small amount of clay and rolled it first just to soften it, and then pressed and spread it in the mold as shown. After making sure that my clay was evenly spread, I carefully removed the clay feather from the mold and voila! I did the second feather the same way. I made a bunch of these and let them semi-dry for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I first arranged them on the frame in the pattern that I liked and made sure that they were evenly placed. After I was happy with the placement, I glued them in place using E8000. After gluing them down, I let it dry overnight. For the second DIY, I recreated the stacking planter from Urban Outfitters, which is priced at $72. To make this, I used anechoic rings. Yes, the ones we used to play in school with. Brings back a lot of school recess memories. Anyways, I also used a lid for the base, and this is how it will look in the end when it is stacked. So, to start off, I used my X-Acto knife and cut off any bumps and ridges that could be seen on the surface. Then, I used E8000 and glued them in place, as you can see. Before painting it a terracotta shade, I painted it an off-white color so that it would have the same base. I used a painting technique which gives it a pottery-like finish, and I shared it in my last video, so if you haven't checked it out yet, please do. The link is at the end of the video. And this is how it looked. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a like if you think my background is cool, and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.